Hello everyone, my name is Minh Khoa. I am a Vietnamese high school student and I'm currently studying in Singapore. This is a video series where I solve problems from an online math challenge called Paul Erdős International Math Challenge. It features a lot of unique and interesting problems and I had a lot of fun solving it, so I want to share it to you. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's call a positive whole number lucky if its digits can be divided into the two groups so that the sum of the digits in each group is the same. For example, 334,175 is lucky because 3 plus 7 equals 4 plus 1 plus 5. Find the smallest 5-digit lucky number that has a lucky neighbor. And in this case, neighbor is just that number plus or minus 1. Okay, so if we call our number, that the number we need to find A, B, C, D, E. So it will be the 5 digits or A, B, C, D, and E. And what we know that there must be some kind of, there must be equality. So if we add them together, because they are the same, then the total, the sum of the digits of these numbers, so A plus B plus C plus D plus E. So because there are two groups of them and they are, the sum of them are equal to each other, so this sum must be an even number. So if we can consider two cases, so E, if E is less than 9, which means that its neighbors, and because it's the smallest number, so its neighbor is obviously the upper neighbor, which means its neighbor will be A, B, C, D, E plus 1. So plus 1, then because there is E is less than 9, so there is no carryover. So the new number will be A, B, C, D, E plus 1. So the sum is also A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus 1. But this is an odd number because an even number plus 1 equals odd. And because an odd number cannot be split into two groups, and which a sum is the same sum, so this is not possible, which means E must be equal to 9. So our number can be now is A, B, C, D, and then the last digit is 9. And this will be 9. Okay, so because we have an inner equality, and we also want this number to be as small as possible. So let's make the one side of the equation is just 9. So it's the last digit. And A plus B plus C plus D equals 9. And because we want that the number to be small as possible, so we will choose the smallest possible number for A and B, which is 1 and 0. And this is 1, 1 and 0. So we want this to be a lucky number, so C plus D must be equal to 8. And we also want its neighbor to be equal to be a lucky number, which means that 1 plus 0. So the new number will be 1, 0. Maybe C C, D will be D plus 1 from the carryover, and 9 here it will become 0. And because here already have a 1 and a 0 here, so we can cancel that out when we have an equality here. So we have C equals D here. And if we brought back here, we have C plus D equals 8, because 1 plus 0 plus C plus D equals 9. And now we have C equals D, so C equals D equals 4. And our answer now is 4 is 4 is 4. And our answer is 10,449.
How do you think about the problem? If you find it interesting, you can check out other videos in the video series. Anyways, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.